Hello, welcome back to the channel. It is me, Naturalee'LaTree. And welcome new subscribers, and welcome back to other subscribers. But some of you know I've been wearing these here, this protective style, for a good time now. I am a naturalista. I wear my hair natural, but been taking a break from my natural hair, so I've been wearing a protective style here. So what I want to do is show you what I've been doing to keep it clean. So there's another video. I don't know, I actually already did it, but I don't know if I'm gonna put it up before this one or after this one. More likely it's gonna come after this one. Just give you a little more detail on my hair and a couple other ways how I've been maintaining it. But yeah, just to show you all a quick way how I've been cleaning it, keeping my hair clean. I've just been using a hot rag, hot towel, washcloth, whatever you want to call it, and a light, I love to use this light ivory clean. It's a body wash, but I don't feel like it leaves a residue. It's not a heavy soap, so I use that with a good hot towel, to where it's smoking and I can't really stand on my hand. But I like to make sure I go in between and get good at the root and the scalp. So I just go in between the braids. So I just go through and do that. All the way through. Because I really try not to let my hair get wet or, you know, too moist, because that'll make it swell. I'm doing this fairly quick, but this is just the ideal of how I do it. Get around the perimeter really good. But this is just a good feeling on my scalp. But this is not the only thing that I do. I like to use a good dry shampoo, and this one here is the dry shampoo. It is by Suave Professionals. Suave make really good hair products. I've known that for a long time. I don't know why I tend to go out and spend so much money on some things when I know Suave is good when it comes to a lot of their products. But today we talk about the dry shampoo, and it is refresh. It is, I use it as well, but it is to refresh and revive hair without water. So that's keeping that wetness, like I said, so much water off, so I won't have to worry about my natural hair actually swelling into the braids. It is saline proven to refresh hair, as well as it's for all hair types, absorbs oil and refreshes hair between washes. So also on the back it says dry shampoo. I already said that part. Intensely absorbs oil, saline quality. Dry shampoo is a quick and convenient way to refresh and revive your hair in between regular washes. This dry shampoo spray with mineral clay and silk powder absorbs oil and refreshes hair. Just a quick spray at the roots helps prevent a greasy feel between washes, leaving hair refreshed, revived, and full of body. maintain your salon look using Suave Professional full range of dry products. So yes, this is this one. And I just like to go through and spray in between the parts or the sections. And I feel like I get a lot more if I like say take little sections. It smells so good, just the smell and cleanliness. But then it has that little, it gives you that little flaky, but it won't last. Actually, I put too much there, but it's all good because I can just take my little towel and dust it back off. But what I want to do is I want to twist it just to keep those sections separated. Okay. Even if I like, after I do this, put my oil on there, it's gonna take that little white film away. But it's really no biggie because it's doing what it needs to do. Picking up the oil that I need to pick up at this time and cleaning the scalp. Yeah, just kind of like in there. Don't really want to be as heavy-handed as I am being. Well, yeah, I don't think I told you this was how much. I think it's depending on where you get it from. You can find this like $3, and then sometimes even under $3. I think that one was like $2.44. I grabbed that one at Kroger. You'd be surprised the good deals you can find on hair care products at Kroger. Seriously. Good quality products. They forever put something on sale. It does feel good. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So yes, it's been a minute since I talked to you all. So far, so good. I've come past that cold that I was having, you know, that little ugh. I'm past that cold. So, you know, that helps. Every little bit helps me to feel a little bit better. Cause that was something else. I'm like, was it cold? Was it flu? But anyway, whatever it was, I don't want it no more. I don't want it. I don't want it. And it's so crazy because I am really a big germaphobe. So when I catch a germ from somewhere, I be like, where did I get it from? I keep looking in the mirror at myself when I need to be looking at the lens at you all. But seriously, I wash my hands so much, use so much hand sanitizer. I don't like some people who I notice get sick a little more often. I'm so thankful that, you know, it's not as often as some. But when I do catch a germ, I just question myself, where the heck did I get it from? Because I wash my hands. I use hand sanitizer. I try not to touch too many things, door handles and things of that nature. I'm just always trying to avoid touching stuff. And of course, yeah, you have those people who sneeze and cough and don't cover up right. You know, I thought we learned this in like kindergarten and early stages of childhood. When you sneeze and, you know, cover up, you know what I'm saying? Catch it in that armpit, in that arm, the fold of that arm like that. People be, or don't even cover up and it just be flowing all through the air. I be ready to fight. The little things that make me want to fight. Somebody don't cover up when they sneezing and coughing and then you go to walking through it. I will go all the way around. I'll go all the way around to avoid walking through somebody's germ. That's me. But anyway, I got that one from somewhere. Backtrack trying to figure out where it came from. Who guilty? Who the guilty suspicious one? Was it the little man down the aisle at the grocery store who I heard coughing didn't even cover his mouth? You know what I'm saying? I be wondering where. Oh, and I also, you know what I do? The little wipes. When you get in your boogie at the grocery store, I try my best to wipe that off. I do. Wipe it off. Try not to touch the cart, the handle, and all of that. But anyway, it has passed. I'm glad of that. I hope I didn't give it to anyone else. You know, I don't even want to give my germs away to nobody. But yeah. So yeah, look, I did all that twist and they just come back down right there. But anyway, I'm just going through this and loving how that's feeling. Oh, child. Oh, child. This is the first one. And I don't know where it came from. But this is the first one I have lost. Last one. I don't know where it came from. But it was hanging on by a little bit. So I didn't lose nothing. He said, that's why they take such little bitty pieces of hair. Good, Gracie. I don't know what that was good for, but I hadn't lost none. So I ain't even mad about it. And all this time, I ain't even mad about it. So yeah, I did all of that to kind of just make sure I covered everything. I lost a braid. Oh, good. I lost a braid. It's all good. Y'all, I've been rocking these and loving these and not having to worry about get my hair done. You know, like worry about it every day and all that, because you know, being a natural requires a lot of washing and wetting my hair every day and all of that. And I didn't really want to have to do that too much throughout the winter time. So this has been a nice break. Ooh, this got this smell like a good old air freshener up in here. What is in here? Ingredients. It don't say it's, if you say you got some alcohol in there, but I ain't worried. I want to know silk ammonium acid. Kale. I don't know what I'm smelling, but it smells good. But anyway, then I just go through and style it or however, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that, make that another video, show you a couple different ways how to style it. But that has been a quick way to clean, how I clean my protective styles on my natural hair. And feeling refreshed, gonna make it a little while longer. So yeah, I am Naturalee'LaTree. I want to thank you for tuning in to another video. I hope this video has given you a couple ideas how to maintain those braids, those protective styles. Make them last a little longer. Still feel clean, fresh as you go. Until next time, like, comment, subscribe. You can do whatever you like. And also, hit that notification bell because I will be back with more videos. Until next time, Naturalee'LaTree. And I will talk to you later.